Wow! Finally! Right, well, I've been waiting so long for these and they have finally actually arrived. I ordered these on the 15th of August. No, because we're in August now. 15th of July. And they finally managed to arrive. I thought they were coming from America. It turns out they're coming from the Netherlands. But I'm not too fussed. But they are two. That's right, two GoPro Hero7 Blacks. You can see they're still in their cellophane, which means that they're brand new. Not been opened, and I'm going to open them. Just so you know, I'm using the Sony camcorder, currently set up on a tripod on my desk, and also the Rodecaster Pro for the audio with a standard condenser mic, basically. Cheap one off Amazon. Ta-da! They look beautiful. Oh, they look nice. It's been a long time to wait for these, but they're currently on offer on the GoPro website. Peel there. Lovely. They're on offer at the moment. There's £100 off these ones because obviously the GoPro Hero 8 Black is out, and these are the 7. So there's £100 off, and also it comes with a free SD card. The SD card is just over here, and so obviously I got 2, which means I get 2 SD cards, and these are the 100 megabytes a second, or megabits a second, 32 gig storage. Ideal for fast performance and stuff. So they came free with them, and £100 off, like I said. So yeah, just going through, opening the boxes up. Do you know what's quite funny actually? This little mount thing on the box that it comes with, I may actually use for something. So in the box you get a cable. Just move those about. Move that up there. You get a cable, battery, mount, which is a curved mount, and also you're on this side. I may have done that wrong. Oh well, done that. And then it comes with all your gubbins for your app, which I've already got. Questions, 2 stickers, and a manual to go through. So to get it off there, all you do is you flick that up like that, slide off, and that is it. Now it says remove that part there. See that there? Remove that. So you just unscrew, hold it. One thing is when you're holding and screwing, if you hold that and then unscrew, that's great. However, if you unscrew, that will fall off, which means your GoPro will break. If you're unscrewing and that falls off, the clip, I've got tons of them from old devices which I've used in the past, similar to the GoPros, the original GoPros, similar to them. HD, waterproof when you put it into the thing, but that's the difference between, you can get them on Amazon at $23.99. It shoots at 1080. The quality's okay, but it's not really best ever. You do have to do a lot of editing to make it look somewhat good. So you know, with the clarity of the picture, a few colours, possibly put a bit of a filter on or something like that. They're not too bad, but in comparison, very little in size. That's obviously a lot heavier because it's got a bit of a case on and stuff. But yeah, that's so much nicer. It's rubberized. That's rubberized on the front, but everywhere else is completely plastic. Screen isn't touch screen on that. You've got to fiddle about with the buttons. User friendly, it's not too bad. In all fairness, it ain't bad for the price. $23.99 for one of those on Amazon, which I saw the other day, which aren't too bad for the money. But instead, I've got, oh, yes, there we go. Pop that out of there. Polarized. Very nice. With the Hero 7s, this is waterproof straight out of the box. Put the battery in, slide that bit out. This does actually come off, so I'm led to believe. I'm not going to be messing about it with it now. But yeah, charge it up. Charge it up. USB-C. Now, I'm not going to go into too much information about this because thousands of other videos online on YouTube about how to use it, how to not drop it, straight out of the box and to drop it. Great. There we go. Pip, pip, pip. It's up and running. GoPro. So I'm just going to play about with the settings. Obviously, put in English. Yes. Yes. GPS on. Okay, so I've already installed GoPro onto my phone prior to getting it, so that we can connect to a camera. Add camera. Searching. Connect camera. Pair. Beep beep. It's on. Because I've got two, what I'm going to have to do is just add a number at the end. So marks Hero7 Black 1. So this is 1 and the other one's going to be 2. So save name. Tap the buttons on screen to get to know your camera. Let's go. Connecting. So that's it. That's how simple it is. Join Wi-Fi network. So it's connected via Wi-Fi. And it's that simple. That easy. So there we go. This would appear to be attached to the box. Now that to me is actually not a bad mount to take off and utilize for something else. So if you want to screw that onto something or place it onto a flat surface to keep it steady, that would probably work. Just take that plastic bit off. just like that. There you go. That's all it is. So you can utilise so you take that off the box. It's actually quite a nice little bit of a mount that you can just have on your desk, or I mean for me for instance, so on my speakers, something like that. Obviously that clips on. I've got a few of these. Put the mount on. There you go. It's quite sturdy. Not going to move anywhere. Brilliant idea. So utilise the box with the mount. It does say recycle on it. It's got a symbol to say to recycle, so why not recycle it? So there we go. GoPro Hero7 Black. I'm going to do some playing about with that. I've been playing with the A10 Mini Pro. I'm going to be plugging those into the A10 Mini Pro. You can probably see my first unboxing of the Blackmagic Design A10 Mini Pro, which I'll put a link on. So have a look at that. I have been playing about with that, and I have had a few areas which I've had to try and work things out, including contacting Blackmagic Designs customer support, which have been great, by the way, as well. It's always good that you can get in touch with people from customer support. It's very difficult at the moment to get in touch with GoPro customer support because they're really short-staffed at the moment. I say short-staffed, they've got a limited number of staffing. So there is a delay in that. So if you are thinking of buying one, or if you've had problems with GoPro recently or whatever, there is a bit of a delay with their customer support. So that's genuine. Currently, what date are we on now? We're on the 4th of August. So that's how long it's taken for me to get this. It was 15th of July when I ordered these, and it's obviously taken that long to get it to me. So bear that in mind as well. 4th of August 2020. I've ordered these 15th of July, so as you can see, that's quite a while. These are going to be used for some of the video streaming, live streaming, and other things that we're going to be doing in the future. We're working with a falconry guy who we're putting together a YouTube channel about Cheshire life in general, especially around the countryside, and it's going to be up close and personal, on the ground information, on the ground experiences, and things like that. So look out for that very soon. That's with Easy Hawking. There's a video also done, a little video montage for them. Go check that out as well. But yes, this is what we've got at the moment. When we've got the full setup, we're going to be using with the A10 Mini Pro, any camera that we've got, and these plus a lot of other things. We'll show you the setup then. So for now, see you soon.